This video we're going to be talking about how to reset TD Bank password or username. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your TD Bank application. Now you're going to be welcomed by this screen right over here. All you need to do is right below the login button and right beside sign up, there's going to be a need help logging in question mark. Tap on that, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and select I forgot my username or I forgot my password, depending on whatever you lost. It's going to ask you to go ahead and enter your social security number and select your account type on your username, and on password it's going to ask you for your username and your SSN. When you do that, click on continue. On both options they'll send you a verification code to the email that you've registered your account with. Simply go ahead and enter the verification code back in the application, and they'll let you create a new user ID or password depending on the case. So I hope this video clarified everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.